In this video, we're going to show you how to add groups to your Moodle. And what you need to do is go to your intranet and then your plan, because you need to know the names of the groups. And this is the name of the group, and I have 5 of them all in the same group. So I've got 5 groups of first years. So don't click on the Moodle directly. I would right click and open it in a new window. And that way you can always jump back to see what the names are of the next groups. So here we are in the Moodle, and I've got first year speaking classes on the weekend. So that's NS. So click into that. And you can see I've already added some groups here, but what you need to do is go to this icon here on the left of the students. And you may see something like this. Yours might be empty here. What you simply do is click on this icon here and go to the second writing method zapisów. And here you can see I've added one group already. You'll need to name them. You need to synchronize with the cohort WSB. And here you will need to give them a new name. So a new group. So you can see I've already made group 5. So now I'm going to make group 1. And you can call it anything you like. Group 1 speaking. I'm just going to call it group 1. And now you need to choose that group. So here I need to click on the name of the group. Now I've forgotten the name, so I go back. It's NW AK2. NW AK2. So it's this one. And then I'll simply click this icon here. I can find out what that is translated into English. Add save method, or add method and create another one. So I am going to create another one. So I can add the method. And now I can create another one because I know I have a few more to create here. So as you can see, I click down, I've got group 1 already. And now I just need to make another one. Call this group 2. Once again, I need to find out the name of the group, which is AK3, Bill AK3. This time I'm just going to save it in order to end this video. And there you can see, there are my 3 groups in the Moodle, and when they log in, they should have a place where they can put their material. So what we can do is, if we go back to the Moodle, and I'll go to this class again, what will appear for you is this window where you have materials you can add. And you simply just click on the material, and I've added a worksheet here. But in order to do any adding of material, you need to click this edit button here. And then you can see I can add something. So today I can add a worksheet, which is a plic. You can add other things. Many of these things you can try out, but the ones I usually use are these. If you want to add them to your favorites, just simply go here and click like this one. Click that icon and then it will be in the favorites. So I'm going to click a file. Let's find out what today's file is about. So I'm going to add a file from my lessons, and I'm going to add the money lesson, and you can simply drag it into this area here where it says copy. Move that out of the way. Simply drag the file here, give it a name. You can write some additional things, but you don't have to. This you can leave alone, but I always like to just tell them what the size is, what type of it is, and then you just simply save. So now when they go to this file, to the materials, they'll see this and they can simply, well, let's stop editing. They'll just see this and they'll click on money. If you want to see what the students see, simply click on your name and you can say, change my role. So I can change my role as a student. So I'll click student here. And now this is what a student would see. If I go back to the course, here I am as a student. So I can't see any more temats. I can't see any more because you have to unlock them for the students to see. But I can see the material. I can see the lesson for Money 3. And I can open it. But make sure when you do open it that you download it, that the students download it, as it's only opened in a web browser. And that's how you do that. So I hope you found that useful. So now you can add students to your Moodle and you can add material to the material area. You see, I can't go back because as a student, I can't do that. I have to change my profile to standard profile. And now I am once again the editor of this Moodle. So now if I go back to the class, you can see, I can see all the temats, and I simply need to, if I want the students to see this temat 2, and I put some information, I'll have to click on edit, and then I can allow them to see this. I can modify, and this I, which is covered over, if I click on it, now the students will be able to see this. Climb down, there it is. Temat 2, students can see whatever material I put in there. You don't have to put all the material in here. You can actually put the material in the temat as well. So I can go into this. These are there waiting for you if you want them, but you don't have to have them. You can delete them. Modify, I can delete them. And I can add my files once again. I can add a new file like I did last time. But this time the file will be in temat 2. Okay, so I hope that's enough information on the Moodle. Enjoy the video. So that's how to use Moodle and add students to it. Don't forget to check out my channel, Tefl Dude, and I have some interesting videos on how to make PDFs interactive, how to make a Kahoot in 10 minutes. Also, should we ever go back to using Microsoft Teams, here is 3 videos I made particularly with students in mind on how to access the PDF documents, how to screen share, how to use breakout rooms, and how to connect their audio devices, which they seem not to be able to do. And also there's some interesting teaching tools that help you when you're teaching online, like this yellow arrow you can see that I've made, showing you how to do that, how to make lists. So check out this channel and don't forget to subscribe if you do like it.